Where is the cardinal? Good. Yeah, he sits out in the window, doesn't he? Where's the vulture? Good. Where's the bald eagle? Where's the bald eagle? Good. Where is the tufted titmouse? Good. Where's the swan? Yes, that's right. Where is the Baltimore Oriole? Good. Where is the killdeer? Good. Where is the scarlet tanager? Oh, there's some thunder. Okay, where is the egret? Where's the egret? Are you clapping for the thunder? Good job. We're not scared of thunder. We clap for it. Where's the egret? Good. Good job for you. Where is the nuthatch? Good. Even Daddy had to check that out. Where's the hummingbird? Where's the hummingbird?
This?
Hummingbird? Yeah, we saw one yesterday, didn't we? Where is the card? Where's the hummingbird card? Good. Hummingbird. The hummingbird, they call it. Good job. Where's the wood duck? Good. Where is the red-tailed hawk? Good. Where is the wren? Where's the wren? Good. Where is the mockingbird? Where's the mockingbird? Not that one. There you go. Good job. Where is the seagull? Good.
Yeah.
Done? What's this guy? Is that the indigo bunting? You all done?